Excellencies and distinguished guests, with only 6 years remaining towards the Sustainable Development Goals, UNEA 6 comes at a time when the world is also called upon to accelerate the implementation of the UN 2030 Agenda if we are to stay course on sustainable development. Unfortunately, for millions in the developing regions of the world, including here in Africa, poverty still remains a reality, a daily reality, while economic inequality is increasing globally. As you all know, the world economy is still struggling to fully recover from the effects of COVID-19 amid disruptive conflicts and wars. It is against this backdrop that the world will be looking to us here in Nairobi this week to renew hope. And hope we must provide as we consider the 17 draft resolutions guided by the overall theme of UNEA 6, effective, inclusive, and sustainable multilateral actions to tackle climate change, biodiversity loss, and pollution. A lot of action, hard work, honest negotiations, and leadership are therefore needed over the next week if this UNEA is to live to its promise. Excellencies and distinguished guests, I'm also proud to inform you that in Kenya, we are doing our part to support the work of UNEP and to meet our local and international obligations on environmental management and climate action.